What's up? What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best out of your sample, loop, beats, whatever, using FX limiter. This plugin or tool is the best when it comes to increasing volume. I've doubled it with leveler, so when you combine those two, you get the best of your sound. Enjoy this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos, the link on description down below. So let's get it cracking. So since I told you that I was doing a melody, then I added some drums. Let's just start by playing everything one by one so that you don't get confused. As you can see, I added a reverse on the keys and a lot of fine tune to give it a different sound and a dark sound. Honestly, this clearly shows that these two sounds are simultaneous to each other. They are playing at the same pace. The funny thing is that every time I say something like this, I think about the mountains. Mountains, mountains, mountains. The bass is hitting so good, guys. That clearly shows that I mastered it properly, because as you can see, if the level is on the same point, then that means that that sample that we're using for the specific beat is sharp. And yeah, of course, the bass does not look like a mountain.
Basically, when it comes to the FX limiter, we have only 4 important things. We have the in gain to increase the volumes, we have the threshold to cut the sound, we have the release, make it hit for a long time, and we have the out gain to cut the higher sound that hit through the mix. So let's just
to tell the truth, I think the in gain plus the FX leveler is powerful. Like, imagine you do this on the 808, it will bang, it will bang. Yeah, just because I'm from South Africa does not mean then that Table Mountain is my favorite mountain. Because my favorite is FX limiter, which I use all the time to master my beats, and they're so exquisite. There are so many ways you can increase the volume of the sample, like even post gain is very beneficial. Right now, let's add the drums and let's see what's gonna pop. when you add the boom 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 room,